Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this Zen8x Global Business and Income Platform System training today. The information that you're getting today is for education purposes only. It's not financial advice. So please do your due diligence. And today we are going to be talking about Shiba Inu and how you can learn and earn using the Zen8x platform, learn and earn Shiba Inu. So with that, without further ado, thank you everybody for attending this webinar for all of the leaders from all around the world within the Zen8x community. So the first thing is that, we are going to be talking about this opportunity, for the people who are part of our group to create the millionaire mindset. That's the opportunity that we are creating, is to create the millionaire mindset. And what is Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu, I want to make sure everybody understands this is a token. It's not a crypto coin. Okay, it's a token. It's not a crypto coin, and it is operating using the Ethereum blockchain system. So that's number one. The other important thing is that the ticker symbol for SHIB Inu is SHIB, and again, it was created in August 2020 by a person, an anonymous person called Ryoshi. Ryoshi, nobody knows his identity. But we believe that he's part of the team of the Ethereum system. And again, the Ethereum system is on a decentralized blockchain. It's a decentralized cryptocurrency platform. Okay, so those are some of the basic information. The other important point for everybody who's on this conference call, we need to make sure you understand the risk level is high and the profit potential is also high. So if the risk is high, the profit potential is high. Okay, and this token has been characterized as a pump and dump scheme. Okay, so what that means is that, there is a lot of people buying it and selling it at the same time for speculation purposes. And what we want to do is that we want to teach you inside the Zen8x system how to minimize your risk by working with Shiba Inu, because we don't want anybody to lose anything. So we want to make sure that you're able to, you're able to gain profit using this system. So the Shiba Inu is basically named after, this token is named after a Japanese dog, and it is basically a competitor of the Dogecoin meme token, which is also related to a dog, right? So that's the reason how they created the Shiba Inu coin. The other important point for you to understand, the Shiba Inu has a higher asset value than Dogecoin. That's very important for you to understand, higher asset value than Dogecoin. And our hope is, you have to understand Dogecoin was not worth anything. It was actually a fun coin, right? But it started becoming famous is because Elon Musk from Tesla started to tweet and promote Dogecoin. And that's why the value of Dogecoin went through the roof. So we believe that some wealthy person or some celebrity will promote and endorse the Shiba Inu token, and then the price will skyrocket. Okay, so that's our hope and belief. Now, Shiba Inu was, again, like I said, created in 2020 as a Doge killer coin token. That's how it was created. And it was on May the 21st of this year, Vitalik Buterin, who is the founder, donated basically $1 billion of the SHIB tokens to an India COVID crypto relief fund. Okay, so that is a little bit of the story. So Vitalik is the co-founder and the founder of Ethereum platform, and he donated more than 1 billion tokens to the India COVID crypto relief fund. Another important point for you to understand, the exchange price of this cryptocurrency has now, significantly skyrocketed like crazy, almost like 55%. 55% has increased, and in some in some cases it has even gone much higher. But the overall numbers that we are getting right now is about 240% increase in the last 1 month that has happened. Now, some of the issues that you want to know about Shiba Inu. So some of the issues are the fees are very high. And like I said, the transfer fees are very high as $150 for doing a transfer for the Shiba Inu. And the main reason for this token transfer is because it's using the Ethereum platform, which is becoming very, very popular. And also the demand for that platform is very high. That's why the transfer fees are very high. Number two is that, like I said, the demand is very high, and hence the prices of Shiba Inu, the transfer fees are also very high. And then the other important thing is, the risk is high. The risk is high, so we want to make sure that you do your due diligence. But using the Zen8x system, we will teach you how to minimize your risk. So those are some of the issues. Here is the chart of Shiba Inu on the World Coin Index, and you can see Shiba Inu is right now in the top 7, in the top 10 list of the cryptocurrencies in the world. It is right behind Ethereum, Bitcoin, Decentral, Polkadot. Okay, so it's in the top 10 list of the cryptocurrencies in the world right now, right? And it has a market capitalization value of almost $34 billion. $34 billion. So that's a lot of money for the SHIB token that was just launched in about a 1 year's time. You can see here the chart. The price in October, you can see the price here in October almost gone to 40.8. Okay, so the price has gone really high. So you can see if you had purchased it in May, whatever, right, you could have doubled your portfolio value if you had purchased it in May, right? And you can also see here in this chart, the volume is just skyrocketed in the month of October, like crazy volume has been created, okay? So, the last time that type of volume was created was somewhere in May, but also keep in mind, that this is what is known as a pump, all right? And that's why the price has gone up, but, we believe that this price is going to come down over a period of time. So, there's opportunity to buy it. And if you do dollar cost averaging, then you will be able to pick up the Shiba Inu at a much better price. And also, by working with the Zen8x system, you'll be able to generate profits. What is the forecast for Shiba Inu? The forecast for Shiba Inu over the next 2 to 3 years, it's a long-term project. That's how we are looking at it. Everything that we are doing within the Zen8x system or the Trust Wallet system, we are looking at it as a long-term. So basically, the forecast is basically over a period of 2 to 3 years is 25% of a penny, 25% of a penny. So what that means is that if you get 2 million Shiba Inu tokens, right, it'll cost you around like maybe $140 plus fees. Okay, plus fees. But the other important thing is that this token over a period of 2 to 3 years, let's say it becomes 25 cents of a penny, 25% of a penny, right? So that $140 that you have spent will be worth almost $5,000 after 2 years. Is it worth it? Absolutely yes, because the profit is almost like 3,400% profit. Okay, 3,400% profit over a period of 1 to 2 years, right? So that's where the opportunity is. Now the Shiba Inu wallet, why do you want to use the Zen8x system? Here are the couple of reasons. Number one is that we are going to be creating a central pool so that, we are creating this pool so that we can minimize the fees, number one. Number two is that we are going to be generating a monthly staking profits for the pool members. So whoever are part of the pool, we will be able to generate monthly staking profits from that. And I believe that this is not available with Binance or some of the other exchanges. So we are the only ones who are creating this opportunity within our system for our members. Number three is that we are going to be creating a passive income opportunity. Plus, you're going to get extra ECC with every time you do transactions with the Shiba Inu token. Pool number one is going to get started right. This week, pool number one is going to get started. The maximum number of people in pool number one is 10, and you can start with $50, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. All of the details will be released on Thursday, and also we will release a page so that you can register your addresses for Shiba Inu through this registration page. So that's point number 4. Also, you have the opportunity to earn between 10 to 20% from referrals. That the more people you refer inside our system, inside the pool, you get more referrals. So you could get your tokens for free by just referring 5 to 10 people, right? Imagine the power of that. You can get, hundreds of thousands of tokens or millions of tokens for free just by referring between 5 to 10 people who are also part of the pool. So that's the opportunity that you have for the members and the team leaders and the managers. And then after 2 to 3 years, you can sell it, or you can sell it for profit somewhere in March 2022. Okay, so that's our forecast for you. And then also we are going to be providing you a swap for ECC to Shiba Inu from 2022. Okay, so those are some of the reasons. These are some of the reasons that you want to be part of the Shiba Inu system. So with that, I'm pretty much done with the Shiba Inu presentation. And what we're going to do right now is that we are going to be quickly going through the demo. We are going to quickly go through the demo and show you exactly, how to load your Shiba Inu token, how to load your Shiba Inu token. Okay, so now that you have started the Trust Wallet, you're going to click on it. And here is an example of one of our members. And you can see the Shiba Inu token. That's the symbol. That's the symbol over there. I'm getting a lot of echo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this recording